Hi, Shashi here. I want to share my experience with Slido on their sliding system. So 5 years back, I was approached by Slido on their products. So I happened to visit their factory to see the quality and the variety they have. So I am very pleased after testing them for quite a long time. And for the last 5 years, I'm using their product. Explained earlier, before Slido we were dealing with many prominent sliding systems in the market. The reason why we stuck with Slido is because they have inbuilt locking system. Also they have the anti-jump mechanism which will not allow the sliding system to come out of the track. So because of these advantages, we felt this is more better for the customer, and that's the reason we suggest Slido for others. You can see we have different products in their line, and our customers are also very happy with these products. And we have used our own lacquer matte or PU matte finishes, as well as if you can see, we have used cushions within the Slido. These are very advantageous for the client, and we have affordable option also in Slido, like the slim profiles. So because of all these options which are available in Slido, customers are very happy with this product, and we too are very happy with the service what the Slido is giving us. And I'm confident to say that I recommend Slido for all the customers who are looking for this. I recommend Slido. Thank you.